The true cost of insufficient funds.
Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about a topic that's relevant to everyone who has a bank account, the consequences of having insufficient funds. It might seem like a simple inconvenience, but the impacts can be far-reaching and often costly.
What does it mean to have insufficient funds?
When you try to make a purchase or withdrawal that exceeds the amount available in your account, that's when you're dealing with insufficient funds. This is a situation we all want to avoid because the repercussions extend beyond just not being able to complete the transaction.
Overdraft fees.
One of the most immediate consequences of having insufficient funds is the dreaded overdraft fee. This is a fee that banks charge when they cover a transaction for you that exceeds your available balance. Not only do you have to pay back the amount that was covered, but you'll also have to pay this additional fee, which can be quite hefty.
Bounced checks and returned payments.
If you write a check or initiate an electronic payment and you don't have enough money in your account to cover it, the payment can be returned unpaid. This is known as a bounced check or a returned payment. Not only can this result in fees from your bank, but it can also lead to late fees from the party you were trying to pay, damage to your relationships with those entities, and even legal trouble in some cases.
Impact on credit score.
Repeated instances of insufficient funds could lead to more significant problems, such as negative impacts on your credit score. Your bank may report you to credit reporting agencies, which could lower your credit score. A lower credit score can make it harder to get loans, credit cards, or even rent a house in the future.
Account closure.
In the most severe cases, your bank might even choose to close your account. If your account is constantly in the negative, it becomes a liability for the bank. If this happens, it can be difficult to open a new bank account, which can severely limit your financial flexibility. Having insufficient funds in your bank account is more than just an inconvenience. It can lead to overdraft fees, bounced checks, a negative impact on your credit score, and even account closure. So, it's always a good idea to keep an eye on your account balance and make sure you're managing your money effectively. Remember, the decisions we make today shape our financial future. Stay savvy, everyone.